50 most important verbs. Awake, awoke, awoken. Blow, blew, blown. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Eat, ate, eaten. Hear, heard, heard. Leave, left, left. Grow, grew, grown. Drink, drank, drunk. Sing, sang, sung. Run, ran, run. Pay, paid, paid. Lose, lost, lost. Hold, held, held. Fly, flew, flown. Fall, fell, fallen. Lend, lent, lent. Send, sent, sent. Lie, lay, lain. Lay, led, led. Choose, chose, chosen. Wear, wore, worn. Teach, taught, taught. Write, wrought, written. Swim, swam, swum. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Say, said, said. Tell, told, told. Seek, sought, sought. Shine, shone, shone. Swear, soar, swan. Think, thought, thought. Steal, stole, stolen. Spend, spent, spent. Shake, shook, shaken. Sell, sold, sold. Sit, sat, sat. Stand, stood, stood. Win, won, won. Play, played, played. Take, took, taken. Speak, spoke, spoken. rise, rose, risen. Tear, tore, torn. Put, put, put. Hurt, hurt, hurt. End, ended, ended. Ring, rang, rung. Mean. Write the second and third form of mean in the comment section. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.